Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Porn.
And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Instagram broadcast channel. First of all, open Instagram app and go to your messages section. Inside messages, you will see 4 different sections such as primary, general, channels and requests. To join any creator's broadcast channel, you can go to their profile and you can see a link in their bio and tap on it. Now you will be redirected to their broadcast channel and click on join to get joined. Then you can see their broadcast channel in the channel section. To create a channel of your own, you shall have at least 10,000 followers. Then you will have a create a new channel option and you can set up and invite your followers. And you can send updates to your followers where only you will be able to text, and you can invite your friends into the broadcast channel, and that's it. You now have a broadcast channel, or you can access a broadcast channel. Thank you for watching and follow us for more tips and tutorials.